Have you got a deactivated Twitter account? Well, in this tutorial, I will show you how to reactivate it in seconds. Okay. For more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. First off, go to your Twitter application from your phone. You can also replicate this setup on desktop. And then from your application, go to the very top left or your profile button and then go to add an existing account and then just enter your previously deactivated account and choose yes, reactivate when you are prompted with reactivate your account dialog. And that's pretty much it. Your account, your previously deactivated account should be reactivated again. As you can see, my current account is now reactivated. For more contents and tutorials like this, please make sure you subscribe, like and comment down to our channel. Cheers, take care and goodbye YouTube.